Have you ever wondered why Taurus, the zodiac sign known for loyalty and stability, sometimes ends up sabotaging their own relationships? It seems paradoxical. They're dependable, loving, and value commitment more than anything. But what if I told you that beneath their calm and reliable exterior lies a pattern of behavior that can unravel even the strongest bonds? Why does this happen? And what's the secret to breaking the cycle? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll uncover the real reason Taurus struggles in love and learn actionable tips to help them create thriving relationships. Plus, I'll reveal one mindset shift every Taurus must embrace to stop self-sabotage in its tracks. Taurus is often celebrated as the rock of the zodiac. Governed by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, this earth sign seeks harmony, comfort, and security. Their love language revolves around consistency and tangible actions, making them one of the most reliable and devoted signs. But just as every strength can have a shadow side, Taurus's greatest traits can also be their Achilles heel. The same stability and stubbornness that make them steadfast partners can also lead to self-sabotaging patterns in their relationships. In this video, we're going to break down 1. The deep-seated traits of Taurus that often work against them. 2. The telltale signs that a Taurus relationship is in trouble. And 3. How Taurus can transform their tendencies to create lasting, fulfilling love. Let's start by exploring what makes Taurus tick and how their core traits play into their love lives. Everyone knows Taurus as the most stubborn sign in the zodiac. Their determination is unmatched. Once they set their mind on something, there's no turning back. But in relationships, this stubbornness can cause friction. For example, imagine a Taurus partner refusing to apologize after an argument, convinced they're in the right. Over time, their unwillingness to compromise can erode trust and create resentment. Stubbornness often stems from Taurus's fear of vulnerability. Changing their mind or admitting fault can feel like losing control, something Taurus struggles with. However, this need for control can prevent healthy communication and resolution in relationships. As an earth sign, Taurus thrives on stability and routine. Change, no matter how small, can feel unsettling to them. While this trait makes them reliable and dependable, it can also lead to stagnation in relationships. For example, a Taurus partner might resist trying new experiences or evolving alongside their significant other, leaving their partner feeling stuck or unfulfilled. Their refusal to adapt can cause the relationship to grow stale. Think of a couple where one partner is a Taurus, content with their routines, movie nights on Fridays, the same vacation spot every year, while the other craves spontaneity and adventure. Over time, the lack of variety can cause friction, with the non-Taurus partner feeling bored or undervalued. Taurus is incredibly loyal and protective of their loved ones. However, this loyalty can sometimes veer into possessiveness. They may become overly cautious or controlling, driven by a fear of losing their partner. While this comes from a place of love, it can make their partner feel suffocated or distrusted. Ironically, this behavior often pushes their partner away, fulfilling the very fear Taurus was trying to avoid. Have you ever been in a relationship with a Taurus, or are you one yourself? How has stubbornness, fear of change, or possessiveness impacted your relationships? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Now that we've uncovered the root causes of Taurus's struggles in relationships, let's dive into the warning signs that self-sabotage might be at play. Sign 1. Emotional withdrawal. When faced with conflict, Taurus tends to retreat rather than confront their emotions head-on. They may shut down or avoid discussing their feelings altogether, leaving their partner confused and disconnected. This emotional withdrawal can create a distance that's hard to bridge, especially if their partner craves open communication. Sign 2. Over-prioritizing comfort at the expense of growth. Taurus loves their comfort zone. While there's nothing wrong with enjoying a cozy night in or sticking to familiar routines, this tendency can sometimes prevent growth in the relationship. For example, Taurus might avoid difficult but necessary conversations because they don't want to disrupt the peace. Over time, unresolved issues can pile up, leading to bigger problems. Sign 3. Holding grudges for too long. Taurus has a long memory, especially when it comes to being hurt. They're not quick to forgive, and instead of resolving conflicts, they may hold on to their anger or resentment. This grudge holding can poison the relationship over time, making it difficult for both partners to move forward. But here's the good news. These tendencies aren't set in stone. Develop emotional awareness and communication skills. Taurus needs to learn to articulate their feelings instead of bottling them up. This might mean practicing vulnerability, sharing fears, hopes, and insecurities with their partner. When Taurus opens up, it strengthens trust and deepens the emotional connection. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Instead of fearing change, Taurus can reframe it as a chance to grow alongside their partner. This might involve trying new activities together, exploring unfamiliar places, or being open to a partner's differing perspective. Change doesn't have to mean instability. It can be the spark that keeps the relationship alive. Learn the power of forgiveness. Forgiveness doesn't come easily to Taurus, but it's a skill they must cultivate. Letting go of past hurts and choosing to move forward allows Taurus to focus on building a brighter future with their partner. So why does Taurus sabotage their own relationships? It comes down to their fear of vulnerability, resistance to change, and sometimes overly cautious nature. But with self-awareness and effort, they can turn these challenges into strengths. Are you a Taurus who resonates with these struggles, or do you know someone who does? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective and stories. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Next time, we'll uncover why Leo always steals the spotlight in relationships, and whether it's a blessing or a curse. You won't want to miss it.